thanks to all the ladies, I think girls, because girls like love, but they don't like love handles. So it's all thanks to them that guys want to keep fit, stay fit, and we keep working out for them. And it's taken me 7 years to remove my shirt and get not so wet and land up there, and just with jeans. And then that was a cool, I think, selfie image which Mendes has done with us. So thank you. And yeah, I think it's great. It's a great magazine for all of us to keep fit, get updates. Their sex tips are as good as better than Kama Sutra at times, and it's quite fun to read. So I think it's a great read for men. I think I've only seen, this is the only magazine that I've seen guys staring at guys in the gym or in other places and checking out a boy's body very intensely. कि अच्छा ये better है वो better है उस actor का ये है. So I think it's great, it's good fun, and today is very important for all of us to be fit. And yeah, I think it's a great addition today for the youth also to find out tips and see what they need to do and what not. As I said before, you know, girls like a lot of love, but they don't like love handles. So I think it's always good to have a good amount of shape in your belly, not just only belly and fat. So, but not necessarily six pack. I think it's good to be fit first, good to be healthy first. If you can get you know, abs, and if you have time to work out, if you can keep a great diet and very strict regime, why not? I think it looks very appealing on any man's physique and only adds to his personality. So I think yeah, fitness is important first, but if you do have the time and effort, it takes a lot of hard work to look like that. So why not? Yeah, six-pack abs will get you a long way through all the leads. Yeah, better is the word. A lot more hard work has gone into that. That time I was just, I think, that was a boy who was slightly more lost and no direction. I think he was just trying out stuff. I'm still, you know, he had no, I don't think I had any plans to pose or model or anything else. I still don't have a plan here, but I still have I have a destination or like a journey plan. But still, a lot of hard work. I think it's something that I like doing. I think I like working out. It's the only exercise that I get today, so it's very important also. And even on my off days, I like to work out. These days, I've been complaining a little bit that I'm not getting time to work out, but yeah, still I take out 10 minutes a day. So a lot of hard work, and thanks to Photoshop, it keeps helping. The technology has improved a lot. New softwares, and thanks to Apple and other. But for now, this is definitely you're talking about these two, or you're talking about these two, or those two. I would like to believe, I like the selfie thing. I think the selfie image is far more fun and quirky. It's more how I would actually send funny pictures to, you know, my friends. So that's more of a personal side. This is what I would maybe put up, you know, even in a film. So that's something that you do for a profession. That's slightly more candid, I feel. So I like a lot has changed. As I said, I think I had no focus and direction at that time. I was just experimenting. I was a college boy into fitness. You know, there weren't any plans as such to come to Bombay, become an actor, try out your hand there. So there's so much more just very, like, I think, organic stuff. Like I was just there because, okay, let's try it out. Here there's far, you know, maybe if I still don't know my plan, but at least I have something that I'm doing. I have a direction that I want to go in. Yeah, exactly. That, as I said, you know, a boy who has no plan and no name, and here somebody who's, I think I've still just started off. I have yet so much more to do. So it's exciting to see my name here this time, and the first time they didn't have a press conference for my image, and now they do. So it's a good thing to see that, to evolve from having nothing to having a press conference for your image, for your cover. It feels great. I think it motivates you more to stay fit and to keep working hard and get images like this, or to keep working enough to get a press conference like this every time you do a magazine cover. So I think not much. What I think best for you. Well, it's tough. It goes, as I said, it keeps fluctuating. But I would like to think legs, lower body. I think I was into doing a lot of lower body workout because of the sport I used to play in Delhi, which was rugby. And you know, we require big amount of thigh muscles and glutes. So yeah, I think which very few actors have, or very few, I would not say models, and even television actors in the gym I see, they don't do legs so much. I don't think so they like it so much. It's the toughest muscle to make. So yeah, I think I've got a decent amount of compliment. We've received a lot of compliments. I think the peculiar one would be the shoulder. I think girls, some of them like the broadness of it. I think it's the lamba choda Punjabi munda kind of look. Yeah, तो वही ऐसा सर ना लड़कियों को प्यार पसंद है पर लव पसंद है, लव हैंडल्स नहीं. So we're all doing it for the girls. I don't think so. We're all doing it for our friends and boyfriends and guy friends. It's all for the girls. So not one in particular. There are a lot of them we get. I'll show you my replies on Twitter. A lot of girls. I really like Hrithik Roshan's frame and height. I think we're almost a similar height and similar kind of frame. I think he's really fit and he's muscle quality is very good. I think so. Yeah, I really like Hrithik Roshan. Tip would be keep it simple. I think take out that 10 minutes per day if you can't take out an hour or 45 minutes, but it has to be regular. Anything that you do in fitness, you have to make it, put it into your lifestyle. It's not a one-off thing. It's not a one-month thing. So incorporate it in your lifestyle to be fit, and that's the only way. Yeah, years ago, heroes didn't they didn't need to go to the gym and be fit. I think girls did all the work. They were dancing off and showing off their belly. Today, boys are dancing off and showing off their bellies and much more. So times have changed. और जैसे कि हमारी पहली पिक्चर में भी हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में था फिटनेस के लिए, तो मैं और वरुण दोनों के उसमें था कि यू हैव टू वर्क आउट इन 6-pack abs, एंड तो बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी. तो इट्स बिकम अ प्रीरेक्विजिट. आई थिंक टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड हाउ दे लुक एट मेन. बिफोर दे डिडंट, आई थिंक मर्दों को ऐसे एक किस्म के कपड़े उतारना या उनको ऐसे बॉडी दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. आज के टाइम पे आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड विद मिस्टर सलमान खान एंड संजय दत्त when they started, men started showing their physique. So it's a statement that they make, and now today it's become a prerequisite कि you should have a good physique. So I think it's for the good. It's encouraging people to stay fit and look healthy, which is always a good thing. Hopefully in few years girls take over and let pressure on us to show. I still don't, even I think they both are equally talented. I don't understand the fact of it being a good star and a good actor. Even a star per se who you say has a bigger persona is doing something unique on screen, something that Naseeruddin Shah can't do. Salman Khan is doing, and something what Salman Khan is doing, Naseer is doing, Salman Khan can't do. So I think it's a unique thing. It's not between a star and an actor. He's a solo film hero, and he's a hero. And Naseer sir is playing different characters, and he's it's the choices that you make. I think it's not the star or an actor. All of us are actors here. So yeah, I think it's too early right now. I would like to show my craft as an actor and pick it, and hopefully meanwhile also become a big star. So let's see. I would like both, but we'll only find out with the choices that I make and the kind of films I do. So yeah, I think magazines are much easier to read. I like reading articles online also. I'm not an avid reader that reads novels and big books. They really scare me since school. So articles and magazines are my favorite actually. Today we can get it online or we can buy it off this time. Now अभी health तो बना रहे तो सारा से भी थोड़ी wealth बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So as I said, because of my making wealth, my health is suffering. Yeah, I think they hyped up. I don't know why it's such a big deal for two characters to kiss in a film where they're supposed to be in love. We've all had intimate moments with our loved ones in personal lives, and that's what we're trying to portray. And it's all up to the director. Contrary to what people think that actors come up with this, कि नहीं यार kissing scene करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It's all according to the director. And there was a need in the film, and as you see it in the promo. So yeah, there was no such. It was a very professional. Everybody worked professionally. So today, I don't think so. Any of us have any kind of awkward moment when we have to. It's a good tag. It's a cool tag. I work with both of them. I think you feel excited that they think that. I think they take my name first in that list. Yeah, so then see, that's good PR on my side and keeping them happy and keeping them excited. But yeah, it feels great. I think that you're desirable. Everybody wants to be. And hopefully it stays. I think staying up there in that list is tough rather than making it. Yeah, I do like to do stuff on my own at times. I like my space, even from my friends at times or my family. That's the way I am. So I don't know if that translates to intensity, but that's something I've been told also. So hopefully it's a positive, not a negative. Sometimes it becomes you look like you're antisocial or you like to do your own stuff. But I think that's me. And I'm not apologetic about it. So let's hopefully should translate into some very good intense kind of shots in this. No, as I said, I think it's personal life is personal life. I could be meeting 10 different kind of people in my personal life. That should not matter. What I do in front of the camera is all for you to see and criticize or appreciate. But my personal life is mine, so I like to keep it that way. It's simple. I don't come to your office and start discussing on what you're eating and who you're meeting. So it's my office. Office stays office, and my home stays. We all love love us first. I think it's a prerequisite for our job. You need to take care of yourself. You need to really like yourself to be. And I think, and yeah, I'm no different. We all like seeing ourselves in the mirror. It's our job also, and selfies are great fun. You can really give it to your. I mean, you can express a lot in a selfie. I think there's nobody else clicking or posing for you, and you're clicking yourself and you're posing it for yourself. I think it's a fun new thing, all thanks to the Apple and phone. So yeah, it's fun. It's exciting.